Hey everybody, welcome to my backyard. This is Mike from Green. And no, this is not Green, location number 4. This is my son Ezekiel's clubhouse and Eliana's clubhouse. That's an old sign, got knocked over by a driver at Green. Hung it up there, got a little place for them to hang out. But you know, they might be doing some business back there, I don't know. But today we're gonna be doing some business and making some cleaner stuff. And one of the clean things I like is a good tortilla. I'm from Texas, love tortillas. We're gonna make a clean tortilla. Clean to me means no soy, no gluten, no artificial ingredients. So this is basically 4 ingredients, 5 if you're counting water. We've got a cup of water in here. We're gonna put a little bit of salt in there. And then we're gonna put a little bit of baking powder, that a little stir. We are going to add a cup of tapioca flour. And tapioca from a root, yucca, that is a really cool binder. See it in a lot of desserts, like at Green and stuff. We'll use a little bit of tapioca flour in our cupcakes, our gluten-free cupcakes and stuff. But it has a really good binder. But it is chewy, so it makes these a little bit different than your regular tortilla. Has a little bit more chew to it. Now, to add some protein to that and a nice nutty flavor, we're going to add some of this almond flour to that, and we're going to add a cup of almond flour to there too. I'm just going to be looking for that right consistency on this. A real thin, like crepe batter. Well, you believe it or not, this is a winter day in Texas, and it's 65 degrees and gorgeous out here. And we love our tortillas, and this is a good tortilla. It's also a crepe batter too, if you like. So we got it about that consistency right there is what we're looking for. A little, real thin batter. All right, guys, we're gonna put a little olive oil in our pan. We want that oil to almost be to that smoking point, nice and hot. We want that pan scorching whenever that batter hits it. We can adjust it a little bit too afterwards, but we want that nice loose batter. I'm a big boy, I like a big tortilla. You know, this is not just a tortilla, it's also a crepe, or, you know, you want to eat some Mediterranean. This could be a pita, you know, sweeten it up a little bit. Could be a pancake, whatever you want to call it, but I'm in Texas, we're going to call it a tortilla. We want to get some nice bubbles there. And just like a regular tortilla, we want a nice little toastiness on both sides. So we're going to let this go for about 30 seconds or so here until we start seeing some bubbles and everything, start seeing it solidify a little bit. Tapioca flour, this is Bob's Red Mill. You know, this is about $3.65 for, I think it was a 1-pound bag. But you can buy it for like $1 for a pound at the Asian market too. That's a great place to find tapioca flour too. And you can also get the extra fine flour on the almond flour if you want. You can see here we got some nice bubbles forming on the underside there, and we're getting where we can get under it a little bit. That's perfect. Let that solidify a little bit more. Any kind of non-stick skillet works great for this. Nice well-seasoned cast iron skillet works great for it. Keep cooking this for about another minute. Flip it and do about another minute or 2 on each side. It takes about total about 4 minutes to get it nice, because you want that all that gumminess to be kind of cooked down a little bit and get a nice toasty tortilla, a little bit of brown, a little bit of white, and it gets nice and nutty too. So now you can see we got a nice little color to our tortilla here, starting to look like a good tortilla. And it's you know, this, like I said, take about 3 or 4 minutes, you know, total cooking time, and for it to get some of that gumminess away and to be a nice tortilla. Now the good thing about this, a lot of gluten-free tortillas don't hold up. You know, you make a taco and it's all going to fall all over the place. This one has a lot of texture to it, and it's strong and sturdy, so it'll hold up to any kind of filling, you know. Thanks for joining me in my backyard, and thanks for making some clean tortillas with me. These are delicious, great for tacos, scrambled tofu, or we're going to be making jackfruit tacos with these and some cauliflower tacos with these. But it's a great clean taco. Like I said, it makes a great crepe too. You know, you can alter the recipe a little bit and make some pancakes with it, but I hope you guys enjoy it.